Hi everyone, and welcome to another origami tutorial. My name is Autumn Heil, and today I'll be showing you how to make a different form of origami called modular origami. Modular origami is created using multiple pieces of paper instead of just one. What we will be making today is called an octahedral unit, which is a geometric shape made of 12 pieces of paper. As another example, here is an 18-sided geometric star that I also made. As I stated, this origami will need 12 pieces of same size square paper. If you want to use different colors, use 4 of each color as I am doing here. Each separate unit of our origami, or each pyramid, will be made with 3 pieces, correlating to the 3 different colors that you choose to use. To start, take your paper and fold it in half. If your paper has 2 sides, the side you don't want to see should be facing upwards. Next, fold the top and bottom edge of your paper into the center you just folded. Each unit of our octahedron is fairly simple to make, but we should still be making straight, careful folds. From here, take the right edge and fold it upward to meet the top edge. Repeat this on the other side when you finish. Now, you'll want to unfold the entire piece of paper. You'll see that you have made 2 little triangles in the upper left and bottom right corners. You'll want to invert these and fold them inwards. Refold your edges into the center as we did in the second step. Then, taking the corner folds that you've already made, fold them inward again, but this time tuck them under the horizontal fold. Do this on both sides. The second side might be a bit more difficult and you'll need to bend your paper a bit to get it into the fold. Once you finish this, flip your paper over and fold both of the corners into the center crease of your design to make a diamond. Finally, fold this in half and you've created one of the 12 pieces of your octahedron. You'll need to repeat this 11 more times. If you need to rewatch this first part while making each piece, feel free to do so until you have it down. In the meantime, I'm going to fast forward through the other 11 pieces that I folded. So, now that we have folded all 12 pieces of paper, we are going to start the process of putting our octahedron together. Start by taking 3 of your pieces. If you are using 3 different colors, grab 1 of each. To connect the pieces, you will insert the pointy end of one piece into the little fold of the other pieces. When 2 are together, you can add a third, again taking the pointy end and inserting it into the opposing fold. To complete a pyramid unit, insert the final point of the last remaining fold, scrunch it together, and you will have made a pyramid. Continue as you just have, but instead of creating a new shape, separate from the original unit, you will be adding paper to the folds that are already sticking out of the pyramid. If you're using colors, a good rule